2 liter on the floor.
You like that?
Hi, this is Araceli. How can I help you?
Hi, can I get a junior bacon cheeseburger and a value fry, please?
Okay, junior bacon cheeseburger and a value fries. Would you like to add a value drink also with your order?
No, thank you.
Anything else I can get for you?
That'll be it.
Okay, just the value fries. Okay. Do I have that correct on the screen?
There was a junior bacon cheeseburger
And
also.
a value fries. Thank you.
Thank
Now,
you.
it's correct.
It's correct now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Total is $236.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Uh-oh.
What?
They pulled up right now. Oh my god.
I can't believe they even got this far. Chris. He's getting his wallet ready.
They're gonna see Poppy. The steering wheel.
Oh my gosh. I've never seen something this funny before.
Should fit him.
Oh my gosh. Here, hold this on me. But when we get to the window, don't act like we know who they are. I hope this is successful.
Yeah.
Here he goes. No? Like, come on.
What?
It's just so funny.
Just put your phone right here, dude. Check.
Does it fit? Mm-hmm. I want it to go blank. Here they go. Don't touch it, don't touch it. I gave it away.
Really?
It's success filed. Can you see the window?
No, it's like 2.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
Oh, no, I can't. Alright, I got it.
She gave him his change. Oh my god. He put it in the glove box.